Welcome back to our channel, Cooking with the Robys. Today I'm going to be making some nice thick country style pork ribs, bone out. These are country style cut. I got 4 of them here, and we're going to get these all seasoned up. These are going to be smoked. I tell you right now, it's going to be delicious. Alright, let's get these ready to season up. It's going to be similar like you do regular ribs. You're going to put a little mustard on it for a binder. I'm going to be putting this on both sides. Now you don't really have to put the mustard. You can use some seasoning spray oil or just something just to keep the seasonings down to it. Flip these over. Same thing with the other side. This is just a regular yellow mustard. It's a Heinz brand. When you get these all coated up, we're gonna go in with a little paprika. This smoked paprika, by the way. Don't have to put a lot of this on there. You gotta remember, we're gonna be smoking this outside my smoker. We're going with a little bit of, this is sweet and smoky rub. This is Grill Mates sweet and smoky rub. Gonna go in there with a nice little helping of this on here. And just pat it. Flip these over. Really simple recipe. I mean, if you're smoking it, you can bake these also. Trying to get the meat nice and covered up. Then just pat it. We'll set these up so you can get the sides. Should have did this different because I'm right-handed, so doing my best with my left hand. Try not to laugh so I don't get this stuff all over them. Going with my W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Gonna add a little bit of that. And this is gonna sit overnight. Flip her over. Do the same thing on this side. I'm not going to worry about the sides right now because this is actually going to get put in the Ziploc bag. I'm also throwing some Corona beer in here also. About half a bottle. And that's going to marinate. Alright, got my Ziploc. Got my Corona beer. We're just going to place these right inside here. I'll give it one more toss to get some more seasoning on it. Flip those right in there. Got everything in the bag. Gonna be putting about half of this in there. Well, about a quarter of it. Gonna add a little bit more Worcestershire sauce to it. Now this sits overnight. Oh man, tell me, but if you've done barbecue ribs, smoked ribs, you know how that comes out. And this is boneless country style rib. Oh man. All right. Cheers. Gotta do something with the leftover. We'll be making some smoked chicken thighs. And I'm gonna just season these up and get this stuff ready. These are gonna be competition style. So let's just do the seasoning right now. I'm just putting some of my same thing I did on the rib. Put this sweet smoked rub. We're gonna get some of this on here. Oh, wrong way. Gonna be putting some of my all-purpose seasoning. I'll put that a little later. But I'm gonna do the kicking chicken. Everybody that watched my channel before, they know I love kicking chicken. And then some smoked paprika. I'll do it like this, and then I'm gonna turn it over. I'll be adding some of my Kinder's all-purpose seasoning on the top. Just gonna get that all marinated in the meat. Now this time I didn't do a binder because this one's gonna come out just fine the way I'm doing it. Getting the skin nice and saturated. Just basically poking it in there. I'm gonna turn this over, everything over. All right, now we're gonna do the other side. Putting a generous amount on this because this is actually, I'm gonna smoke this too. Get a nice generous amount of seasoning everywhere. Gonna put my smoked paprika on this side also. The kicking chicken's gone, but I'm putting the last of my sweetened smoky rub. Here we go. Alright, and then the last thing I'm going to be putting on here is some W sauce. This is the Lee Perry's Worcestershire sauce. All I want to do is I want to get the meat side. I don't want to get any others. I don't want to get the skin side, just the meat side. Because I'm going to be putting this in a Ziploc. You know what? I will get the skin side a little bit. But I'm going to be putting this in a Ziploc, letting this sit overnight, and this is going to go this is actually going to go in when I smoke my ribs tomorrow. There we go. Alright, let's get this into a Ziploc. Bam! We're going to have 8 pieces of chicken. Chicken thighs. These are chicken thighs. Get these in here. Alright, so we got everything in there. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little more of this W sauce. Now that it's all incorporated in here. This is about 8 teaspoons. Gonna add a little bit of Corona. I like adding Corona in there. It just adds the extra flavor of kick. You guys gotta try it. I know a lot of people, they want Budweiser and stuff. But let's get this all done. Mixed up. Now I'm going to take out all the air. Woo-wee! My goodness, it smells good. Get all this air out. This is actually going to go in the refrigerator 24 hours. Look at that. That's what you should be looking at. All right. Got my next set of wood ready to go. I just put in the ribs. Got my ribs over here. Those are going to cook a little longer, so I put them away from the firebox. And the chicken in the center, the temp by the firebox is at grilling temperature, so I moved everything over because I want to smoke it. Then I can start sliding stuff over that way if I need to. All right, this will go for 2 hours.
Smoked barbecue, yeah. That's some barbecue, Papa.
It's not ready, Matthew.
How about some chicken?
Nothing. All right, got everything out. Let's get us a cut of this, cut of the ribs. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Put that back. Look at that nice ring on there. Yeah. Gonna cut a piece of chicken up here. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Eat that later. Let's try this chicken. Oh, it's moist. Mmm. 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 Let's try this rib, country style rib. Mmm. Oh man. So good. Alright, that's Daddy's plate for tonight. Got some chicken and some ribs in here. This is the other one, they're smoked, so. Oh, look at that.